How to install AltStore on iPhone, iPad with Windows. Hey there, wanna install AltStore on your iPhone or iPad using Windows? AltStore is a great alternative app store that lets you install apps that aren't available on the official App Store. Let's get started. First, head over to the official AltStore website and download Alt Server for Windows. Install it on your computer. If you haven't already, make sure iTunes and iCloud are installed on your computer. You can download them directly from the Apple website, and these are required for Alt Server to work properly. Use an USB cable, connect your device to your Windows computer. Trust this device if prompted. Launch Alt Server on your PC and make sure it's running in the system tray, which is the bottom right corner. If you don't see it, check that iTunes is installed and your device is connected properly. On the system tray, right-click the Alt Server icon and select Install AltStore, then choose your connected device. You'll need to log in with your Apple ID credentials for the installation process. After the installation is complete, open Settings on your iPhone, go to General, Device Management, find your Apple ID and click Trust. And that's it. Now you can open AltStore on your device and install apps without needing a jailbreak. Enjoy exploring apps beyond the App Store. If this video helped, like and subscribe for more tips.